what it do, man? It's your boy Anderson Johnson representing Vegan Power TV. How y'all doing? Anyways, if you're looking at this video, I hope you're not saying, does he have on the same thing he had on the other video? Well, technically, yes. But it's that same night. Alright? It's that same night. So, I just finished getting food at the Thirsty Donkey. But I'm on the way to a place called Babalu's. Now, I recorded at Babalu's and the audio came out not that good. So, if you guys seen my video where I was just eating at Delta Blues, this is that same night. So I'm out about to grab something to eat at this place called Babalu's. Now, I had on headphones and you can hear the headphones smacking up against everything, you know, smacking up against my my chain and everything. So I said, you know, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna re-record that. So that's what I'm finna do now. I'm finna go grab some food from Babalu's and sit down. I still got my food from the Thirsty Donkey. I gotta eat. So I'm gonna eat all that at once. Hungry. When I say hungry. And I know Babalu's closed a little bit later. So gonna kill two birds with one stone, baby. Alright. And Babalu's ain't that far away. Trying to find a parking spot. Southside be booming, man. It ain't even 9 o'clock yet. And the police out. I ain't got time to be playing with no police, man. I ain't got time, man. I ain't got the time, man. So I'm trying to find a wood park, man. I give y'all, if I can finally get into the restaurant, man, I'll let y'all know. Alright, so I'm gonna check back with you in a little bit.
One eternity later.
Alright, so here we go. Finally found somewhere to park. I had to make my own parking spot. I ain't gonna lie to you, but don't tell nobody that. Alright, you know what I'm saying? I'm parked somewhere I don't need to be parked, so I need to hurry up. I don't get no ticket. There, police go over there. Hope they don't hit me. Whoop, there they go. Anyway, man, I'm gonna get this food, man. I'm ready to eat. I don't know. I'm finna kill. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get the same thing I ordered last time, but like I said, my audio did not sound right, so I'm gonna get the same thing I got last time. I'm gonna just act like I ain't never ate it before. It was good as fuck. It was good though. Dang it, man, YouTube. I can't even curse, man. That's all I do is cuss. Anyways, let y'all know we up in the restaurant, man. Alright, so I done walked in the bathroom. It's just so loud in there I can't really talk, but nice environment, man. You know, they stay open late too. So I like the way, I like the design. I like how everything is set up. Staff is real cool and friendly. The bartenders are real cool and friendly. I haven't met the owner. But it's all cool. I don't really care to meet the owners of every place. I just want good food. That's all I want is good food. Anyways, so yeah, man. Right now I just ordered black bean burger with sweet potato fries. So I got black bean burger, sweet potato fries, and I still got the food from the Thirsty Donkey. Oh, you know we finna eat good, you feel me? So anyways, let me go back out here, man, if they think something going on in the bathroom, alright?
Looking for something else, huh?
I'm just showing the menu. Just showing.
Then you got the black bean fruit.
I forgot about that.
Then we have the hummus.
Got the hummus, okay.
What else we got? Yeah. That's about it.
Everybody.
I had to get slice, baby.
Hey, you still got some stuff though. So y'all know before we go, we gotta check the food out, right? So loud here, man. I apologize if I'm screaming. Anyways, let's check this food out.
I got another offer from somebody else.
Hold on. Here we go. Ooh, alright. Black bean burger. It's the black bean burger. And you know I got to get the sweet potato fries, man. Good. Ooh. And these fresh too. Hold on, let me tell you what. Oh, it's fresh too. Yeah. It's finna go down. So we finna eat this, man. Holla at y'all in a little bit, man. Back in the whip. Back in the whip. Hey, back in the whip. Please don't trip. Hey, got them bars. Anyways, man, just got the food from Babalu's, whatever it's called. Babalu's. Trying to figure out what exactly I was gonna eat. I was finna, guess I'm gonna head home, man. Guess I'm gonna head home. So anyways, ready to try this food, man. Alright. Got the Babalu, y'all seen the food. I still got my food from Thirsty Donkey. I'm ready to kill it. I'm gonna eat that first. Just because I haven't been there, I'm gonna eat that first. And give you guys my review on it. Alright? So, let's get to the crib, man. Alright, man, you know what time it is. Man. It's time to eat. Alright? So we got the Babalu's, man, for the listen, I'm not one of them people where I eat all the different food at one time. Like right now I got a burger and fries. I don't bite the burger and then eat the fries and bite the burger again. I kind of eat everything at one time. You can talk about me all you want. I don't care. But that's what I do. Let me turn this light on real quick, man. I'm looking kind of dark in here. Alright, that's a little better. So y'all already seen the food. Y'all know what's going on. So fries is good. You can't go wrong with soup to the fries. The food kind of cold. That's my fault. I had a little issue going on the way home. Like 18-wheeler had jackknife on the road. So, and it had hit a van. So I had to find a detour route home, which took me like 30 minutes to get here. So, anyways, let's try this burger out, man. Alright, y'all ready? I wish the food was hot. Wish it was hot. Oh well. Now, like I said before, I went to Babalu's last week, but the audio was horrible. So I guess I gotta act like it's my first time eating this again. Alright? Hold on. And it's still good. Nah. Bruh, hey. It don't. I think it's the sauce. I can't even lie. Listen, if you work for Babalu's or you've been to Babalu's before, if you're from Birmingham and you know what kind of sauce this is, write it down in the comment section. Let me know what kind of sauce this is, man. Cause this is busting. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So anyways, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish all this. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Listen. Make sure you like the video. Go ahead, like the video. Comment. Subscribe. Matter of fact, leave a comment down. If you're from Birmingham, leave a comment below and let me know where else I should go. And if you're not from Birmingham, leave me a comment and let me know what else I should do. You feel me? Alright. So anyways, like the video, share the video, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. So I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.